Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to record income in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is a vital task for any business owner. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a larger enterprise, recording income correctly in QuickBooks Online ensures that your financial statements are precise and that you have a clear view of all the funds flowing into your business. This process is not only essential for maintaining organized books, but also crucial for making informed financial decisions. So, let's embark on this journey together and learn how to record income efficiently in QuickBooks Online. To begin, navigate to the New button located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This button is essentially your starting point for adding new transactions. It's crucial to start here because it helps guarantee that all your recording processes are initiated correctly. Upon clicking New, you'll see several options, but for recording income, you should select Bank Deposit. This function is designed to log any income that's being deposited into your business accounts, capturing all monetary inflows. Once you've selected Bank Deposit, the next step involves choosing the right account where this deposit should be recorded. It's a wise practice to verify that you've selected the correct account at this stage. Doing so will help prevent any future mix-ups or confusion, saving you time later on. Following this, you'll need to input the date of the deposit. The date you enter should exactly match the date when the deposit was made, ensuring that your records are perfectly aligned with your bank statements. Next, you will come across an option to specify the source of the money. Depending on your business needs, you may choose to fill in this section to track the origin of each income deposit. This can be particularly useful if you need to generate customer statements or if you want detailed reports on your income sources. Knowing where your money is coming from provides valuable insights and transparency. Then, it's time to categorize the income. Assigning the correct category to your deposit is key to organizing your income in reports. It gives you a clearer picture of the performance of different segments of your business. Select the most appropriate category that reflects the nature of the deposit, which will influence how you'll report this income at the end of your accounting period. Additionally, there's a section where you can add a description of the income. While this step is optional, including a brief description can be incredibly helpful for future reference. It provides additional context about the transaction and can be a real lifesaver when you need to search for past records to understand the nature of a particular deposit. Moving on, you'll need to specify the method of payment. This could be cash, check, electronic transfer, or any other payment method. Choosing the correct payment method aids in managing your cash flow statements accurately, reflecting the true nature of your transactions. Finally, you'll enter the amount of the deposit. The amount should precisely match what is shown in your bank account for that particular transaction. After double-checking that all the necessary details have been entered correctly, you can confidently click Save and Close. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded income in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps meticulously, you ensure that your financial information stays organized and precise, making your financial reporting and accounting tasks much easier down the line. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to record income in QuickBooks Online, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.